Hello everyone, I'm Iniyavan from Frigate. I'm taking care of NPD Mechanical business unit and one of the co-founder of Frigate. In NPD Mechanical, we used to do a lot of projects as well as prototypes. Most probably I handle most customers and we have a success story of 100 plus projects completion. We are here to solve your problems and I would like to say about NPD Mechanical. We are in NPD Mechanical, we are 10 persons and 3 of them working for sales and 4 of them working for sourcing and expediting and 3 of them working for quality and project follow. That's what the NPD Mechanical team is. We are almost reaching 3 years now and now the reach of Frigate is far good from the first stage and our business is growing step by step. For everyone, I as a co-founder at the age of 28, you can be whatever you decide to go with and please stick on to the plan, do every job in a positive attitude. So that's what the key to success. Do what you love. That's what I used to say. Be patient, be polite. You don't use any harsh words. Don't use any harsh words to scold yourself also. Cherish every moment and appreciate yourself. So never work for money, let the money work for you. And don't work to impress anyone, just work to express yourself. That's what the key to success. Thank you.